Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we're thrilled to unveil our latest innovation, the Gantt chart component. This component brings interactive, visual project management directly into Salesforce, making it easier than ever to plan, track, and deliver on time. And in this video, we'll guide you through the configuration process so you can see it in action in your own org. Let's begin. First, let's create a new project. Click New, then fill in the project details, including the start date and end date. Click Save. Now, you're ready to add the Gantt chart to the project. Click the gear icon and then click Edit Page to open the app builder. Let's do some adjustments. Rename the tab. Set Gantt chart as label. Click Done. Now the Gantt chart tab is ready. On the left-hand panel, search for GM Gantt chart. Now, let's configure it. With the component selected, you'll see configuration options on the right. Here you can define the title of your Gantt chart, whether users can select, reorder, or edit tasks. And then, under the relation config, you define the data model. Here's an example configuration in JSON format. Let's break it down. The first part defines your main project object. It uses fields like start date and end date to place your project on the timeline. You can also choose which fields appear in the detail view, popovers, and task list. Each project can accept child records, which in this case are Gantt tasks. This is a GridMate object that serves as a ready-to-use task representation, allowing you to avoid defining a custom task object if you don't want to. The second part defines your task object. It includes start and end dates, progress, and even hierarchy through the parent task field. Just like projects, tasks can also have child tasks for subtasks. You can set icons, colors, and define whether a record is a task or a milestone. Now, let's copy the configuration. Paste this configuration on our app builder. Next, you can fine-tune how the Gantt chart displays, show only working hours, and define your workday start and end times. Set the work week start and end, plus the first day of the week. Control the hour span, row height, panel widths, and how many tasks display by default. Finally, choose the default view, daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. Great! You've added and configured the Gantt chart component. Let's save it and head back to the project record page to see it in action. Here's our brand new Gantt chart in action. Let's begin by clicking New Gantt chart to get started. This example uses the GridMate R&D project you created earlier. You can adjust the project timeline if needed. Next, let's start adding tasks under the main project. First task. Second task. And the third task. We can also create the subtasks. The first subtask. The second subtask. You can adjust the time axis by simply dragging it. On the left panel, you'll find the task list, where you can view the progress of the entire project as well as each task individually. Each task also displays its start date, end date, and assigned resource. Now, let's update the progress of a specific task. As you can see, the update is reflected in both the task itself and the main project. You can drag to adjust the panel size, and toggle the right panel to view task details. Tasks can be expanded or collapsed for easier navigation. You can also switch to full screen mode, which is perfect for giving users a larger and clearer view. To reorder tasks, simply select one and click the Move Up or Move Down button. Now let's see how to adjust the task hierarchy. Select a task, then click Move Left to shift it up one level while keeping it below the main project, or click Move Right to move it down one level in the hierarchy. Now let's set dependencies between our tasks. From here, you can also pick the date. The chart offers flexible viewing options. Whether you need a high-level yearly overview or a detailed day-by-day breakdown, you can easily switch between yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily view. And also the best fit view, which automatically adjusts to show the most relevant time range for your data. Hovering over a project reveals its full information. Similarly, by hovering over a task, you can instantly view its details. You can also see the critical path, which highlights the sequence of tasks that directly impact the project's completion timeline. Switch back to the yearly view, then click on the main project to see its details in the right-hand panel. Here you can see the details of the first task, including its successors. For this task, the predecessor is Task 1, and the successor is Task 2. Additionally, when you click on a dependency, you can view its details as well. As you may recall, Task 3 is the parent of two subtasks. When you click on it, the two subtasks are automatically highlighted for easy identification. From here, you can also adjust the progress of each task. To delete a task, simply select the task you want to remove and click the Delete action. Keep in mind that this is only a basic demonstration. You can extend the functionality by applying advanced configurations, creating more complex hierarchies, and tailoring the chart to your specific requirements. That's it, thank you for watching.